Wow.
Mike,
Why are you acting like this?
don't run your fucking mouth to me, asshole.
Wow.
Mike, Mike, Mike.
Why are you doing this, sir?
Listen here, you third grade graduate piece of shit. Mike, Mike.
This is Miss
Mike.
Childs.
You're not talking to a fucking woman, you're talking to a man here, alright?
Wow.
They're probably recording this right now, adding to their stuff.
Mike, Mike, Mike,
Amateur.
Mike, Mike.
Take your childish butt and go someplace.
Oh!
I tried to call and
Mike.
apologize
Mike.
to anything
Mike.
that happened.
Called about 50 times yesterday.
Mike, Mike,
I'm sorry it happened.
Mike, Mike,
Wow.
Mike.
The FBI really needs to be called on this.
On the toilet! On the toilet! On the toilet!
I don't understand this.
On the toilet!
Mike, Mike, Mike. Huh? You need to be taken in, hung by the tree like they did in the slave days and just whipped.
Excuse me?
Go sit under a tree.
Mike, 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 Mike.
Wow.
Oh! You. Why don't you suck the slop into my fuck stick? Huh?
On the toilet!
Well, I'm gonna tell you this right now. If I catch you, I'm gonna fucking use a meat tenderizer on your face so when you do your funeral, people won't recognize you, you cocksucker. Huh?
Goodbye, sir.